Okay, so now we have figured out how to do galleries. Next on the agenda is homework. So we're going to click over here on the homework tab. We're going to go to our homework page. Now the first thing you will need to do, and I have already done this, is click where it says add new subject. And then you'll just type in the title of the subject that you're teaching. So if you're teaching English literature, you would like to put English literature there. That's pretty much how that works, okay? And then, so I'll just put English just to show you kind of how it works. Hit save, and then what you'll need to do before it shows up, you'll have to refresh your page. So you just go up here and refresh the page. Okay, now you'll see that I have English and computers as my subjects. Okay, so all you need to do, I'm going to scroll down. Right now we're in the first week of October. You'll go ahead and you'll click update. And all you're going to do is just type in whatever the assignments are for the week of October. So we'll say read Hamlet. Maybe that's the only assignment for the week. Okay, you can just go down the list. Write essay, write essay, things like that. Whatever your assignments for the week, okay? And then you just hit save when you're done, and they show up. And that's all there is to it. It's different from the assignments module in that really it's just for people to look at and just say, okay, these are the assignments for the week. You don't get any resources to go with it, nothing like that. It's just, here's what you're supposed to do this week. Okay, that's all you have to do. So you can use that, not use that. It's completely up to you. That's basically how that goes. That's all there is to that. Next thing we're going to go ahead and look at is news. Okay, we're going to go to current news. All right, so obviously first things first, just as normal, we're going to create new. Okay, title of your news item, we'll just say, maybe if you're doing a newsletter, let's say October newsletter. Okay, we can upload a thumbnail if we want. And just like with the blog post, I can say I want to publish it today, and then I would like it to move to the archive at a certain time. So choose a day that you would like it to move to the archive. All right, you can either type your content here, or if you actually do have a newsletter, you could just go to resource files, upload the newsletter, and let them just view the newsletter. Okay, so I'll just put test news post. And when you're done, go ahead and hit publish. And there we go. That's my news for the day. As always, I can edit or delete. Pretty straightforward. Okay? Now, next on our agenda, let's move on down. We're going to look at podcasts. Okay. As always, create new. Here's our editor. I'm going to name your podcast. We'll say updating homepage. That's what we're going to talk about in our podcast. I can add a thumbnail if I like. And I can, once again, say I would like it published now, and I would like it automatically archived at this date. All right. So describe what your podcast is going to be about. Updating class homepage, we'll say. Okay, now, next step is to upload our media file. I've recorded a video about this, so we're going to go ahead and click on media. And I'm going to click where it says upload media. Once again, it says that I haven't saved this page yet, so I have to save it before I can start uploading files to it, so yes. Okay, I'm going to search out some media files. Please note, these are the media files that it will accept. It will not accept anything other than these media files. So we've got wave.mov, FLV is actually a Flash-based media file. which is what the website converts it to anyway. So if you happen to have a Flash media file, perfect. If you don't, no big deal, it'll convert it for you, okay? So go ahead and navigate to wherever your movie is, and I'm just going to say editing your homepage. That's what I'm looking at right now. And I'm going to upload. Give it a little bit because sometimes it's a big file. It takes a little bit of time. And we can talk more in another post about how to do podcasts and the best recording resolution and things like that. It's a lot of stuff to consider, but right now we'll just kind of talk about the process of uploading it. Okay, so I've got my media file now. If I wanted to maybe have a transcript of what I was talking about, I could upload that as well. Alright, so it's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. One thing for you to consider, it does take a few minutes for the website to actually process your file and put it into a Flash format so that it's viewable on the web page. So give it maybe 5-10 minutes and it should show up. It won't be there right away. Okay? Alright, and that is it for that. And we're going to move on to the very last option, which is scope. Now, we've already created different subjects. It's kind of attached to the homework module. They work together. So basically all you have to do here is you click on the different months and you're going to click add, and you're just going to write down all the different topics that will be covered in that month so that people can look at it and know, okay, they're going to get through all of these different topics in the month of August. Okay, so to say keynote, numbers, pages, whatever. Hit save, and there you go. So now people can look at the month of August and they can see the different subjects that's going to be covered in computers in the month of August. And I can always edit or delete right there. Okay, that is it. So I'm going to finish off right there. Next, we're going to go back to our class homepage and figure out how to use the widgets to customize our homepage.